Abby's filming the rain.
Why do I always go through doors?
Well, right now it looks like it's clear over your house, but Abby said because the width of the clouds and the direction that they were moving in, looks like you might get some rain. Yeah, it's slowly starting to fill in. Because it's weird because it's raining really hard, but you can still see the bright sky. Like
How did it? Are you gonna cross with me? No.
yeah, you should be, because it's been raining, that's the ground should absorb.
Oh, there's thunder. Look, it looks like all like dirt or mud or wet clay or something.
I haven't seen any roaches, but I'm finding a lot of little dead bodies. But
Yeah. So hey guys, it's Maisie Candy7. Sorry for not uploading in a while. I've been really busy. I probably wouldn't upload a lot during the summer either because I'm so busy. You know. Okay, sorry. But yeah, I'm not really sure if. Oh, sorry, I'm just getting off topic. Yeah, this video's kind of like a bloopers or something. Oh, there's thunder. As you can tell by the 3-minute footage, it is raining where I am, and it's kind of dark actually. Actually, yeah, it's dark. See, you can kind of tell. Actually, you can't tell. And yeah. Bad news. Ava's kind of sad. She's my sister, by the way. Not mad at gaming, but yeah. She's kind of sad that it's raining, and yeah. Oh yeah. So good news. You know when I made that video about Luna? Well, we had one baby that survived. His name is Hey Hey from Moana. Don't judge me. I want to name it that. He's my rat. Okay? Okay. But, yeah, it's raining. It's dark. And, yeah, decided to talk to y'all. I kind of wanted to make this a little long video. Like, not too long, but, like, a little bit long. Just to make it up for you guys for not posting in a while. And I'm not sure if I should do any more animation videos because I need to get back mothers in. But, yeah, I'm not sure if that can happen. And yeah, So that's it. Sorry about like the woo thing with the black stuff. I got bored. Okay, I was bored. All right. Well, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, I won't be able to post a lot in summer. I probably already told you that, but whatever. Okay, bye and stay amazing.